Greetings everyone! The theme for our lesson for today is now you should try to guess. At first, look at the picture and guess. What do you see? You see sky, new technologies, long distances, and birds. So, our theme for today is, yes, you are right, it is airplanes.
So, our learning
Learning
objectives.
objectives of the lesson.
Recognize
The
the
first,
attitude
to
or
recognize the
opinion
attitude
of the
or
speakers
opinion of
in
speaker
unsupported,
in
extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a limited range of unfamiliar topics. Deduce meaning from the context in unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a limited range of unsupported extended talk on a wide range of general and curricular topics, including talk on a limited range of unfamiliar.
Now you will listen some audio about parts of an airplane.
Plane. Flight deck. Engine. Fuselage. Cabin. Slats. Spoiler. Flaps. Aileron. Wings. Winglet. Vertical stabilizer. Horizontal stabilizer. Rudder. Elevator.
Our next exercise. You will listen one more audio according to this text, and your first task is to put the letters into right order. And next task is to try to find the title to the text. То есть вам нужно подставить букву в правильном порядке и собрать слово. Также вам нужно будет подобрать заголовок к тексту.
Different parts work together. Traveling by airplane is always a wonderful experience. I don't care whether economy class is cramped and has no space. I like playing with the in-flight entertainment system, especially now they have all the latest movies. I also love airplane food. Many of my friends say it's disgusting, but I love it. I often ask the passenger next to me if I can have the dessert or roll they don't want. The only thing I don't like about planes is turbulence. When the airplane hits those air pockets, I always worry we'll crash. But I once read that turbulence has never caused an airplane to crash.
Okay. The title is
So you should put letters into correct order and translate words. And your home task. Your home task is to write a magazine article about your dream airplane. Thank you for your attention. See you on my next lesson. Goodbye.